In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Pokemon Champion crashing, freezing, or stuttering. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, refresh your network, and check. Next, you want to make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. To check, launch open Play Store or App Store. Then search for Pokemon Champion. Here, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, you want to force stop the app. Completely close the Pokemon Champions app. Then launch open settings. Now tap on apps. From this list of application, find Pokemon Champion and tap on it. Now tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Next, tap on storage and clear the app cache of Pokemon Champions. If the problem continues, you can also choose clear data and clear the app's data. Now open Pokemon Champion and check if your issue has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you can simply uninstall the application, then reinstall it. After reinstallation, this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.